Good morning. I am Dr. Denalvo Robinson, Chair of the Elizabeth City Pasquotank Board of Education. I bring greetings on behalf of all members of the Board of Education. Welcome to the ECPPS Community Update for July 22nd, 2020. As our parents, staff, and community realize, ECPPS is planning for an opening to school that is unlike any other school year planned before. Please know that this work is not taken lightly and that staff are working diligently to ensure that safety is at the forefront of all of our decisions that we will make. Dr. Edmonds, ECPPS Superintendent, will share updates and information with you this morning as to the steps the district has taken and will take to plan for the school year 2020-2021. Dr. Edmonds.
Thank you, Dr. Robinson. Good afternoon, Elizabeth City Pasquotank Public Schools community. I am Dr. Catherine Edmonds, the proud superintendent of Elizabeth City Pasquotank Public Schools. I will bring updates as it relates to the reentry survey data, child nutrition meal services for the remainder of the summer, and the district remote learning plan. On July 14th, Governor Cooper announced schools will reopen in the fall under Plan B with a requirement to provide a remote instruction option for families that want to keep their students in remote status. Elizabeth City Pasquotank Public Schools conducted a reentry survey for parents to gauge which option families want for their children. This morning, I will share with you where we are in reference to participation in the survey. To reach our families for survey completion, we shared the survey on all of the ECPPS social media platforms and the district website. We sent a Blackboard Connect call reminder from the district level. A postcard was mailed to all families with the information on where to locate the survey for completion. A call was sent from each principal to their school families, urging families to complete the survey. As of yesterday, July 20th, at 3:15 p.m., we have received responses from 61% of our families. So out of 3,177 responses out of the 5,162 families that are in our school district, we urge you, please complete this survey. I will share with you now the data that we've received in reference to the responses on the survey. You can see from each of our school levels which school has what percent in the number of responses. Central Elementary, we had 231 families to respond, a response rate of 65%. J.C. Sawyer, we had 193 responses, which is 50% of their responses from their families. In Northside, 358 participated in the survey, which is a response rate of 75%. Pasquotank Elementary School, 119 responses, a response rate of 43%. P.W. Moore, 189 families responded with a response rate of 49%. Sheep Harney, we received 262 responses, which is a response rate of 67%. In Weeksville Elementary, 200 responses, which is a percentage of 77% of the families. I will now share with you the response rate for our secondary schools. Elizabeth City Middle School, we received 377 responses, which is a 62% response rate. River Road Middle School, 362 responded with a 62% response rate. Northeastern High School, 413 families with a response rate of 67%. Pasquotank County High School, 390 responses, a response rate of 56%. And at our early college, we received 77 responses, which is a response rate of 67%. I will now share with you some things to look forward to in the future as our principals provide some follow-up so that we can hear from the remaining 39% of our families. Also, the families who originally chose Plan A will also be followed up with so that we can find out from you, would you prefer Plan B or Plan C based on the governor's announcement that Plan A is no longer an option. I will now share with you some information and updates around our child nutrition program. The last day for food service will be Friday, July 24th, 2020. Each child served will receive a box that includes enough food for 7 days through the end of July. We are currently looking to partner with community agencies to provide families options for the 16 days that the school nutrition services are not in operation. Our meal services will resume on August the 17th. Last evening, the Elizabeth City Pasquotank Public Schools Board of Education approved the remote instruction plan. The remote instruction plan provides a framework for delivering quality remote instruction to all students within the district during the 2020-2021 school year for the 5 remote learning days that are required in our school calendar, as well as times that students are in remote learning status. The plan provides a foundation for blended learning with flexibility and quality to respond to future COVID-19 disruptions. Session Law 2020-30 mandated 13 components to the remote instruction plan, with the state board requiring 2 additional components and 2 optional components. The Elizabeth City Pasquotank Public Schools plan complies with all state required components, including the 2 optional components. You can view the plan on the Elizabeth City Pasquotank Public Schools website. Please follow us on all of our social media platforms and visit our website. You will find information that will be helpful as we continue planning for the upcoming school year. Please check your school website for town hall meetings that will occur this week. We need your feedback as we continue our planning. Thank you again for all that you do, and we are ECPPS Strong.
Thank you, Dr. Edmonds and administration, for all the hard work that you are doing to plan for the students and staff for the 2020-2021 school year. We continue to work together for our children, staff, and community because we are ECPPS Strong. Stay safe.